Let's demystify the exclamation mark in Python. Unlike some languages where it might have special meaning outside of strings, in Python, the exclamation mark doesn't have any built-in special operator or keyword meaning. It's treated just like any other character. 1. Within strings. The most common place you'll see an exclamation mark is within strings. It's simply part of the text and has no computational effect. For example, hello, this is a string. The exclamation mark here is just a punctuation mark. Python doesn't interpret it in any special way. You can use it to create emphatic or expressive text within your strings, as you would in any other type of writing. 2. Outside of strings, rare use cases. It's incredibly rare to encounter an exclamation mark outside of a string in standard Python code. You won't find it as part of any operator or built-in function. If you see one outside a string, it most likely indicates an error, a typo, or part of a comment. Because Python is so flexible and allows for custom functions and classes, a programmer could define a function or class that uses an exclamation mark, but this isn't standard practice and would be highly unconventional. It's a better coding practice to make the intended purpose of such a symbol clearer using other characters. 3. Common confusion. The exclamation mark's lack of special meaning often confuses programmers coming from languages where it acts as a logical not operator, like in C/C++ or JavaScript, or for other purposes, like in some shell scripting languages. Python uses the not keyword for logical negation. This makes Python's use more consistent and clearer, but does mean it is different from some other languages. 4. Avoiding misunderstandings. Given its lack of special meaning in standard Python, using the exclamation mark outside of strings in your code is generally discouraged. Stick to more conventional symbols and naming conventions that clearly communicate the purpose of the code. If you're tempted to use it creatively, consider using underscores or other characters for better clarity and maintainability. This prevents confusion among collaborators or when revisiting the code. In summary, the exclamation mark in Python is only meaningful within strings where it represents a punctuation character. Outside of strings, its appearance is almost always accidental and should be avoided. Python's clear separation between string literals and operators contributes to its readability and makes it less ambiguous than some other programming languages. Remember to use the not keyword for logical negation.